Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Service technicians at our computing use the field service mobile application when in the field. The technicians rely on knowledge articles to assist them with completing assigned work. How should the solution be configured to ensure technicians can access relevant knowledge articles? Option A. Update the service appointment page layout to include the articles related list. Option B. Create a quick action on the work order to search the knowledge base. Option C. Add the knowledge lightning component to the field service mobile app. Option D. Attach the relevant articles to the work order or work order line items. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Attach the relevant articles to the work order or work order line items. Question 2. One of the products sold by Universal Containers requires quarterly service appointments. Which feature should a consultant use to meet this requirement? Option A. Implement path for work orders. Option B. Configure a maintenance plan. Option C. Define a repeating work type. Option D. Build a process for service appointments. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Configure a maintenance plan. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.